Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. I hope you all are well. In today's class, we shall learn a new thing. Do you want to know that? Come on, let's have a look. Today we shall learn the two sounds of letter S. The one is S and the other is V. This one is unvoiced and this one is voiced. Let's see these two examples. Pots, pots. Can you hear S at the end? Tops, tops. Now let's see these two words. Bags, bags, beds, beds. Can you hear Z sound at the end? Yeah, so these are the two sounds of S. But now the problem is this: how would we decide when to pronounce S as S and when to pronounce S as Z? For this, we have a rule and we are going to learn it now. But before we move any further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification and hit the like button as well. Come on, let's dig into it. The rule says when S is after an unvoiced consonant except S, it is pronounced as S. What are the unvoiced consonants? First listen to this. K, k, f, h, l, p, t. These are the unvoiced consonants. Now let's understand it with some examples. Try to repeat after me so you will understand it well. The first word is pets, pets, tops, tops, hats, hats, mats, mats, tails, tails, proofs, proofs. Did you notice in all these words, S is after an unvoiced consonant? That's why you can hear the sound of S. Now let's see the second point of this rule, that when S is after a vowel or another S or a voiced consonant, we pronounce S as Z. Z. First, see what are the voiced consonants. They are B, D, G, J. N, Qua, V, W, X, Y, Z, Ch. Okay. Let's see some words for example. Here is the vowel and then we have S. So this word will be is, as, was, bags, news, buses. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you have understood it. I hope you have liked it. If yes, please hit the like button. Take good care of yourself. I shall see you soon. Till then, bye.